Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaji here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for coming back. I appreciate you. On today's video I will be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. Now if you know me, you know that is really a struggle. I can't do shit in 5 minutes. So if you want to see how that works out for me, keep on watching. Hopefully I don't fail miserably. So, like I said in the intro, today will be a 5-minute makeup challenge. So I've been seeing this challenge going around. I've been seeing a lot of people doing it. I want to try it because for me that's fucking impossible. See, the thing with me is if I only have 5 minutes to do my makeup, I'm just not gonna do my makeup. We will see today how that goes, I guess. Okay. So since I'm being realistic here, I'm not gonna sit here and do a whole freaking full glam in 5 minutes because that's just not happening. So we're gonna keep it very simple, very light, very no makeup look. Somewhere that somebody used this as a contour, cream contour, and it worked out really pretty. It looked really natural, and I've been dying to try it. They use the shade Deep Cinnamon, so that's the shade I bought as well. And even though I've never used it and this is a 5-minute makeup challenge, I'm fucking trying it today. Oh well. So I picked up the Bretman Rock. Oh, did it break? I did drop it earlier. Okay, so I picked up just 2 things from the Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild collection. This is a 3-in-1 hydrating mist. It's a primer, hydrating mist, and setting spray. But what really fucking threw me off with this is that like the 4th ingredient is alcohol, and I don't know how I feel about this. And this actually smells so good that it smells like a perfume, and that scares me because anything that smells as good as a perfume I don't think should be going on my face. But we're gonna try it. And this gloss, nothing bad to say, smells delicious, looks gorgeous, like it's gold and glittery, and it's from that Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild collab, and I picked it up at Walgreens, and super pretty. I guess we are ready to start. Let's do the damn thing. I'm nervous, I'm scared, I don't know how this is gonna work. All right, I'm trying to like get myself together before I start this timer because whoo child, I don't know what the hell these results are gonna end up looking like, because like I said, I can't do shit in 5 minutes. Alexa, start a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes starting now.
All right, she started. So let's do what we normally do. Prime the face. Nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. All right. I've never tried doing my makeup in a span of 5 minutes. I've never even, like I said, if I have to rush, I just won't do it. So this is definitely a challenge for me because I don't like being rushed. I should have had all this ready, but I guess this is part of the challenge. Ugh. Brush. What I'm considering. Boom. All right, now we're trying on this new concealer. Concealer as a contour. I'm scared. Is that too much? I'm scared. Guys, I have not cream contoured in God only knows how long. Oh shit, I put too That's it? No. No fucking way. What am I doing? The timer just made me nervous. Oh my god. Did y'all see that? I literally just put a dark ass shade on my forehead. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. That can't be it. That can't fucking be it. Oh no, I don't believe that's it. I don't believe that's it. Oh my god, that is it. Guys, I literally completely fucking failed at this challenge. Alexa, stop. All right, guys. Well, I'm definitely finishing the rest of my makeup, but I'll show you guys how far we got on this 5-minute makeup challenge. Nah, I swear Alexa did not time me correctly or something. I don't know. This is ridiculous. How the hell did I only get through primer, foundation, and concealer in 5 minutes? Like, I swore I was about to fucking glue lashes on and everything. Oh my god, this is an epic fail. All right, well, let me finish this, I guess. Oh my god, this is actually blending really freaking nicely, guys. Do you see that? All right, well, since that was an epic fail, we're going to continue this video and we're gonna pick it up and we're going to make this a everyday no makeup look. Okay, that's what we're turning this video into now. Yeah, I'm impressed. Look how it blends. All right, let's do the nose now. I'm scared. Brush this off. So for my eye area, I like to use a softer brush just because, you know, more sensitive area. Now I am just going over that contour with the butter bronzer. While this shit sits on my nose, I'm going to go in with blush. This is shade Prenup, and it's a super shock cheek satin. Going with my stipple brush. So I just we're gonna go in this with this bad boy. So like I said earlier, I don't know how good this could be if it smells as good as a damn perfume and has alcohol as its 4th ingredient, but because I don't plan on wearing this on my face every single day, I don't think it'll make that big of a difference with my skin. I hope not. One thing I could say though is this shit smells so good. Like, if you're Mexican and you know horchata, this literally smells like fucking horchata in a bottle. Like, straight up horchata. I don't even like horchata. I know, guys. I'm Mexican, I don't like horchata. But anyway, it smells just like it. Even though I don't like it, it smells fucking delicious. Next, highlight. Now, I kind of wanted to glow from within. But listen, if y'all know me, doesn't matter. Oh fuck, sorry guys, I'm like talking to you and looking down, but my palette broke. See it? Ah! So let me glue these lashes. Well, let me add mascara. Essence. Love their mascaras. Check them out, guys. They're inexpensive. So anyway, let me add these lashes off of camera. Fuck, I almost hit myself with this. And then I will be right back to show you guys the finished look on this epic 5-minute makeup. We are back with the no makeup look. It is complete. And this is what we got. Look at these lashes. They're so cute. They literally look like I have little extensions on, or I got a little lash lift. But I think with this like everyday no makeup look, they work out great. And yeah, this is it. So this spray, I mean, I guess it set my makeup pretty decent, and it made me look nice and alive and not powdery. So I guess it works, but the whole alcohol shit got me fucked up. So I don't know. But I know this video ended up being an epic fucking fail, and we had to turn it into this little no makeup look. So here we are. You guys, sorry for the fail. Never again will I try to do a 5-minute or under challenge. I probably should have went with 10, knowing myself, but you live and you learn. And we figured out Jaji can't do shit in 5 minutes or less. So since this video was an epic fail and we had to reroute it and turn it into this no makeup look video, I hope you guys stuck this far along and got to this point. And if you did, thank you. I appreciate you, and you might as well just give a thumbs up and subscribe since you're still here. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Of course, give me your feedback. It's always welcome. Drop some comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.